Assalamu alaikum Aris. Aris, today we are doing the sum of addition and subtraction. Can you tell us what is the meaning of addition? And what is the meaning of subtraction? Okay, what number is written on the board? And the second one is? Okay, can you take the marker and solve it? Cut in it.
The 6 minus 4 it means.
Okay, because of the sign of minus? Okay. The answer is? Okay, Tanya, can you tell us what is the meaning of addition? Good job. And what is the sign of addition? Plus. Can you put the finger on plus sign on the board? Yes. And the bottom sign? This one? What we call this one? Mile. Okay, what's the answer? 17. Now, do the sum of subtraction. Lovely. Is it correct? Are you sure? Good job, Dania. Give me a high five. The answer is? Just look at me. Good job. Basically, can you solve the sum for us? Okay, start. Yes. Good job. Give me a high five. Yes, done. Okay, yes, done. Can you solve the sum for us? Yes. What is the first number? The second one is 6 minus 2. Very good job. You are fast. Give me a high five. Good job. Is the answer is correct? Are you sure? Yes. Give me a high five. Give me Ahmed. Okay. Ahmed, what is the meaning of addition? Together. And what is the meaning of subtraction? One. Good job. Give me a high five. Okay. 4 minus 4 is? Good job. Give me a high five. The answer is 20. Now next question is 7 minus. Okay. The answer will be 0. Good job, Tanisha. Yes, and the answer will be 0. Look at me. Good job. Good job. And how many you will add in it? 5. Good job. Please. Okay, shall we solve the question for us? Good job. The answer will be lovely. How many you got? 10. And what is the answer? 0. Give me the high five.